Okay, so we're going to go ahead and install the package of bees here. Everything's all cleaned up, ready to go, and so we're going to first we need to get the this can out, which is the sugar water. Got somehow pry her out, and what we got to do is we got to get this little piece right here, Jen. You're going to pull that out, okay? And I'll put this right back in.
Hold on. Right here?
Yeah, hold on here. Yep.
Oh, I see what you're saying. Great, I'm doing that with my ungloved hand. Hold on.
Okay, good.
Hold on. There we go.
Okay, there we go.
So our queen is in there.
All right, so on that end is going to be, we're going to pull that.
Alive? Yep, she's in there and happy.
She's live? Good,
There
good,
she
good,
is.
awesome. We're going to pull that off when we put it in, Jen. And this is going to get squeezed, I believe. Remember last year? We squeezed it between the two frames?
Yes. This
Okay.
is a little different than last year's.
Is it really?
Yeah. Yep.
Really?
Yep.
Okay. All right, so we're going to bang this down, remember?
I do. You're four of doing this.
So do we need to open this up, Jen? I need to open this up, right? Take a couple of these frames out so we can dump it inside, right? We take some of these frames out of the way so we have room to work, right? Duh. Okay. Hey, you know you don't do it every day, so okay, here we go. So we're gonna bang them down.
Now to make 10,000 bees angry.
Mm-hmm. Okay, let's see how many times I can get stung today. Yes, I do have bare hands, but you know what? Little bee stings don't hurt anybody. Well, unless you're allergic to it. All right. Here we go. Come on.
You maybe just spray them with sugar water.
Oh, shoot. Sorry, Jen. Thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Yes, that's why I have my daughter for. Keep me on track here. The reason for the sugar water is it helps them cluster together, and it gets some licking each other's cells off because it tastes good, and it gets them to hang together. Plus it's warm too a little bit. All right, so let's go ahead and shake it down again, right?
Yes. And you're going to pour them.
Actually, you open the end up. Like I say, it's been a while.
We're installing our bees, our fourth year doing this.
Hold on here.
On the other side of me here, usually I'm old-fashioned, but this is the side of me that enjoys gardening and outdoors.
All right, Jen, we need to get this open here. Okay, folks. Really?
I think we had trouble with this last year.
Yeah, I think so
That's why
too.
I miss the wooden boxes.
Mm-hmm, much easier. Come on. Okay.
There you go.
Okay, there we go. Okay, now let's bang it down. Should you put the can back in?
No, it's fine.
No. Okay. A little more sugar water in there. Open her up. And in we go. Okay. If you get a broom, a brush, and start sweeping them in.
Yeah, hold on, let me get my other glove on. I'm like gloveless on one hand.
Okay. This is unedited. Hey, that's pretty good. Just bang them down again. Where's that queen?
Okay, the queen is over in the other box.
Oh, okay.
Hold on. There you go.
Thank you. Okay, they're looking for that queen. Where's Mama? Okay, I think we did pretty good, huh?
Really well. Great, let's get them closed up.
Okay. And we will empty one, right?
Yes.
Come on, go slide it on down there, guys. Don't want to
We'll
squish them
figure
too
it
much. Yep, we'll put it up there. Full one.
I'm gonna go get the queen.
Yep. The guy we talked to, that's from the, it's called the Boston Bee Company. He has 3,000 hives. Unbelievable. Okay, so we got to take off and just brush these, get the brush if you could, please.
Yep.
we're going to brush these guys off here. Okay?
Have you gotten stung yet?
No, not yet. No, it's too cold to sting
Time
today.
I think
Okay.
there's one in my boot.
So we're going to lay this probably sideways, Jen? What do you
Just
think?
kind of dangle it down.
Okay, you got to take the cap off.
Yeah, but it has the fondant in there, right?
Yep.
Yep.
You want like this?
Yeah, because you want them to be able to smell her.
Like that, right?
And they'll release her. Exactly. Perfect.
All right. We are done, folks.
There you go.
That's as easy as it is. Well, it's a little tricky, but
It's the science behind
it's the
it.
science behind it. A lot more you're going to be learning throughout the year. As guess what? We're still learning too. And as they say, once you learn it, guess what? They change their habits.
Oh, Paul and Patty.
Palm Patty, thank you. Hold on here. Thank you, Jen. All right. And this is key. This is what I was talking about in the fall. This guy told me he starts feeding palm patties in August, which we're going to start doing. What is it? It's part fondant or some kind of sugary substance with 20% pollen that they collect from the bees in the spring. And we'll just set her up there.
I'm going to peel it off.
Oh, should we peel it off? Sometimes I don't.
I think it looks pretty sticky. It may not come off this time.
Okay.
Give them a little head
You
start.
give them a little help there. Yeah, they usually eat it away. They take the paper. If I can see the paper, sometimes outside of the hive.
Alicia, he does not mind getting stung. They're actually not stinging today.
No, it's too cold.
They
Okay.
also can sense your fear, and this is my dad. He does not fear the bees at all.
Nope. Actually, I get stung on purpose
No,
sometimes.
he has not gotten stung today.
Okay, that's it. We're cleaning up this mess, and we're gonna have another in the first weekend of May.
Guys, my first live. This is fun. Okay, see you later.
This is my first weekend of May. We'll be getting second. He's going to get 2 more nukes for that hive and that hive there. We'll probably take that hive in temporarily until we get a swarm. We're hoping for a swarm. It'd be nice to have a swarm by June. What's the saying, Jen? A swarm in May is worth a load of hay.
Okay, a
Swarm in June
is a silver spoon.
worth a silver spoon, and a
Swarm in July.
ain't worth a dime.
A fly or
A fly.
something like that.
There's an old farmer saying, we'll research that and get that better for you next time. All right.
Okay.
Hope you enjoyed it. We'll have more for you.